Hello and welcome to this week's AB Tutor video. Today I'm going to finish off the guide to the policy effects by talking about blocking external drives and blocking internet access. Having users connecting external media to computers is always a security risk, so AB Tutor allows you to block any external drives. From the policy builder, select Block access to USB, CD, DVD drives from the device effects. Device effects will affect any user who is on that computer when the effect is applied. This is as opposed to the basic effects, which can be applied to a single user or session rather than to the entire computer. This distinction is only relevant for multi-user computers, such as terminal servers. For a simple desktop or laptop, there will typically only be one user on it at a time, and therefore there will be no noticeable difference between the policy types. As usual, a new tab will appear with the options for this policy effect. From here, you can select whether the drive is blocked completely, the default, or whether the user can read from it but not write to it. This could be useful if you had sensitive data that you didn't want copying off the computer, but wanted to allow your users to bring data to the computer. You can also choose whether the policy affects USB drives, optical drives, or both. Once these settings are configured, finish the policy off as normal. The next effect we're going to look at is block internet access. Again, this is a device effect and so will affect all users on the computer. This effect can be used to block internet access from the computer by port as opposed to by web page. This can be used to block certain services such as FTP, SMTP or some games. It can be used to make it more awkward to use proxy servers by blocking commonly used proxy ports, or it can be used to force the use of a proxy by blocking the normal HTTP and HTTPS ports. In general use, the Block Web Pages option is usually the easier way to control web access. However, this effect can be used with other programs which don't run inside the web browser. Simply select the ports you wish to block or add custom ones into the box at the bottom of the list. Once you're happy with your selection, finish off the policy and apply it to your clients. These policy effects are both quite simple, so there hasn't been a great deal for me to say about them. However, if I've missed anything and you have any questions, please let us know by emailing support@abtutor.com and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.